my channel. So if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back, and thank you so much for your support. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Anna. I am so happy you found my channel. I'm so glad to have you here in my channel, and I do really I hope that you show me some love by subscribing to my channel, be a part of my YouTube journey. So today I'm coming up with an update on my Louis Vuitton Emily wallet. So she is in an empreinte leather. So I purchased her in 2017 as a replacement for my defective Emily in the Monogram. So she currently retails for 5,950 Hong Kong dollars, or how do you call this, 490 euros. So she's in a collar, mine is in a collar raisin. So here is the wallet. She opens up with a snap button, and the button is in gold hardware. So here is the wallet inside. So inside is in hot pink, while the outside is in maroon. So she has 4 card slots, which is, I think, is just enough, because nowadays we can already pay just using our phone, so we don't really need to carry so much cards with us. So she also has zip compartment for your coins or for anything that you would like to put in there. And then she has 3 compartments, 2 small ones here, and the big one in the middle. So I had mine, my initials hit stamped in here. So like what I said, she is already 3 years old, and frankly I am so glad I went with the empreinte. I am so glad that I upgraded from Monogram to the empreinte leather, because I can see so much quality in this wallet, something that I didn't see in my Monogram Emily before. So yeah, I'm so glad. I mean, you know, she is already 3 years old, but she's still in pristine condition. There are no creases inside and no curling here in the edges, which were my problems before with my Monogram Emily. So I'm really glad that I got the empreinte instead, that I upgraded to the empreinte, because this really has so much quality. I am very pleased with this wallet. I've been using her for 3 years already, and like what I've said, still in pristine condition. So I'm really glad that I got the empreinte. So I highly recommend this wallet to anyone looking at the Emily's of Louis Vuitton. Yes, the Emily's are the cheapest wallet of Louis Vuitton, and especially in Monogram, but I don't recommend the Monogram because I had issues with it twice already. With this one, I highly recommend this because it is such a beautiful piece, very good quality, and you're not going to regret it. You won't have any issues with this. So yes, I highly recommend this to anyone looking at the Emily upfront. So if this video has been helpful, guys, I hope that you give this video a thumbs up. Comment would really be appreciated, and I would really appreciate more if you subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's all spread love, not hate. Take care. Bye.